Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install Android Studio on Windows 10 or 11. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to search on Google Android Studio. Once you search that, you will end up over here. And the first one, which is this one, Android Developers, this one is sponsored by Android. So don't go for this one, go for this one, Android Developers, and click on this option. Once you do that, you will end up over here, and here the first link you would see, download Android Studio Hedgehog. This is the latest version of Android Studio, so I'm going to install this one. Once you click on that, they will ask for terms and condition. Obviously you just need to scroll down at the very bottom and click on this one and click on download Android Studio Hedgehog. Once you click on that, at the top right corner you will see that it will start downloading. Wait for a while, it might take some time because it is almost 1.0 GB. So wait for it. Once you install that, this is how it looks like, as you can see. So I'm going to install that for you guys. Just click on this option and it would seem something like this. Just click on run. And obviously the process for Windows 10 and Windows 11 are both same. So you need to confirm this, that you are allowing this to make this some changes. Obviously after that you will see something like this. I'm going to close this one and click on next, and make sure to uncheck this because we don't need this. Once you uncheck that, you will see that we will minus 1 GB at least from downloading this software. So you can see that over here. So I'm going to unselect this, just click on next. After that, I'm going to go with the same directory over here, click on next, click on install. It might take some time, but once it's installed, I will show you what you're going to do. Once you install that, this is how it looks like. Just click on finish and then it will start Android Studio for you. Once you click on finish, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Obviously, I haven't downloaded before, so that's why it's showing up like this. So I'm going to click on do not import settings because I don't have any. So just click on OK and wait for a while until this showed up. You just need to click on don't send. And once you click on don't send, this is how it looks like. Wait for a while, click on next. And after that, you can go with this custom and standard. Standard will install every single thing it has, but we don't need that, right? So we are going with the custom. Just click on the custom, click on next. After that, you will see something like this. Just click on uncheck all of this because we don't need this. After that, just click on next. Once you uncheck both of these, click on next again. And this is what we are going to install. So click on next. And after that, you just need to agree with the license agreement. Make sure to click on this, click on accept. After that, click on this one, the second one, and click on accept. You will see this option finish. Click on finish. Once you click on finish, you will see something like this. And here we are going to download our Android Studio. After that, you will see something like this, and this is how you can easily install Android Studio on your Windows 10 or 11. After that, just need to click on finish and it will be done. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.